Tired of recruiters who say, we'll get right on it, only to disappear until they've got a handful of maybes? Yeah, me too. Too many founders, MDs, and hiring managers are too busy interviewing the wrong people, or worse, hiring them. And when you're under pressure to scale a clean energy business or launch a new project, a bad hire isn't just frustrating. It's a missed milestone, a burned out team, a dent in your credibility. At TechWaves, we don't just help you hire, we help you solve the problem behind the job title and build a hiring process that actually works. Whether you're building something from scratch or need to backfill yesterday, we'll help you get clarity fast. We'll reshape roles, warm up passive candidates, and make sure you only meet people who are already bought into what you're building. It's all part of our charge, build, and hire process, a no fluff, founder-first approach to strategic recruitment. Here's how it works. Step 1, we get clear on what you really need. We start by figuring out what you're actually hiring for, not just what's written on a spec, because honestly, most job specs are just wish lists. We'll work with your hiring managers to unpack the problem you're trying to solve, not just the position you think you need. Sometimes that means reshaping the role. Sometimes it means advising you not to hire at all. Step 2, we build messaging that speaks to the right people. We don't throw out a job spec and call it an advert. They're not the same thing. We build bespoke, story-led messaging that taps into what your ideal candidates actually care about, including the challenges they'll face. Some people will love it, others won't. And that's the point. It filters out the ones who wouldn't thrive and draws in the ones who will. Step 3, we headhunt, pre-interview, and qualify. Every role is headhunted, no lazy database searches. We warm up the right people early. So when the funding hits or the project lands, you're not scrambling. You'll get a long list ready to go and a short list within 48 hours if needed. Every single candidate goes through a structured, scorecard-led interview. And yes, we do it ourselves. Hiring managers are expected to give feedback too, because this process is about people, not just placements. And in engineering, reputation matters, so we protect yours. You don't need more CVs, you need clarity and candidates who've been challenged, tested, and are already aligned with your values. With TechWaves, you'll only meet people worth your time. Most clients interview 2 and hire 1. The average time spent in the process? Just 6 hours. And we back it with a 6-month free replacement guarantee. Oh, and 84% of our hires are headhunted, not active on the market. The kind of people who won't see your spec, but will join your team if the message is right. If you're not doing that, chances are your competitors are. So if you're scaling, hiring, or want to avoid another, they look good on paper, disaster, let's start with a free hiring audit. We'll go through your job specs, who wrote them, what they're based on, and if it's actually what you need, not what you want. We'll review your interview process, your scoring system, how you assess cultural fit, and whether it's consistent. And we'll go all the way through to onboarding, because losing a great hire in the first 3 months, that's avoidable. Because smart hiring isn't about more people. It's about the right people with the right messaging at the right time for the right reasons. Let's make it happen.